Come on in, bro. Yeah, blue hair everywhere. All right. What you running here, man? There is 9 Otis Shockwave 15s on 3 Taramps Smart Bass 8Ks. Okay. It's both our build. My name's Mike. This is Jeremy. 190 amp hours of C-Max, 780 amp hours all, and not a drop of steel that's not factory.
Nothing behind the dash.
Nothing. Ah, ready?
How y'all gonna keep it in check?
It doesn't.
Okay.
we went through 4 doors in the last 8 months. So hit that play button for me.
Okay.
We're gonna say pause.
That's wild right there, man. That's wild. Are those 4-inch coils on those?
3-inch.
3-inch coils.
And it's not even clamping half of rated per sub. Not even close.
Just 3 8Ks on all these.
3 8Ks. And maybe it's clamping around 12 to 13K. That's it.
Underpowered.
So 1,500 watts of sub roughly.
That's wild, man.
Yeah.
Check out the back when you walk around. Yeah, let me check it out.
90 amp hours C-Max. That's it. Amazon.
It don't take much to do it.
Some mathematical equations and a straight edge.
Yeah. Y'all had to do some work to get that to perform like that, right?
Yeah. It's 2144, 640.
Yeah.
228 on the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
It was originally set up for 12, 15.
And it just didn't work.
It didn't work.
We converted it
down
to
9.
Okay. Well, y'all did a lot of testing on it.
Oh, yeah. Hour.
Shipload.
So it wasn't just a put in and just go.
No. Hell.
One that was.
No, hell no. Yeah, we went 4 doors in 8 months.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Y'all ain't going to steal on the inside?
I'm done. I'm
Maybe
both the doors shut.
in the next couple months.
Okay. Y'all ran through enough doors.
I've had it. I'm just going to slam it shut, close it, but it's still going to be workable. I'm not. It's going to be removed.
Not on a trailer.
Not on a
Oh,
trailer.
y'all driving it?
500 miles from Connecticut.
No.
Not to mention last year,
750 to North Carolina.
one way and back the other way. On the way there, I lost 3rd and 4th gear on the way to Ruckus. Drove it 300 miles in second only.
And then 750 back in second.
With the transmission slip.
The second day for Ruckus, I lost the power steering gearbox in the driveway of the B&B.
Yep.
Drove it to the show, or drove it to the parts store.
Demoed all that.
Passed
too.
it. Drove it to the show and then drove it 750 plus miles back in second gear. No power steering.
Transmission smoking.
No, it was driving. It just wouldn't go into third or fourth.
And by the way, this didn't have a trans in it Wednesday night.
Nope, I put the trans in it literally Wednesday.
Yeah, 4 days ago Wednesday.
Really?
Me and him put the trans in it.
Well, y'all do all the work.
Everything.
Oh yeah,
I did all the wiring, I did all the setup, I did everything on the passenger side. We did the box together. We did everything else together mostly. I did all the alts, I did all the wiring, I had to clean everything. The day I got the truck, it caught fire.
And then,
y'all just go through everything.
And then we're building an Astro right now with 1215s and 4 roofless 10Ks.
You gonna drive it?
It'll be done probably mid to late summer. It'll be finished.
Y'all gonna make a ruckus?
He might, maybe. We're going.
It's gonna be
sure,
a bad
but
motherfucker
I don't know.
there, I can tell you that much.
Try to make this thing happen.
It's not a tap. Can't play high right now.
No, I don't need a high.
Oh, you want me?
I need it as hard as
It's good seeing y'all.
Yeah, man, appreciate you.
Where can I find y'all at on social media anywhere?
So anything on my TikTok, I do have an Instagram that just started. It's that damn Tahoe. Both ways.
Okay.
TikTok and Instagram.
Okay.
Instagram's a little slow because TikTok's better, but
Okay, I'll tag you on both of them.
yeah, tag me.
I can appreciate
Whatever
it.
you want. I appreciate you.
Thank y'all.